guys, how are you? I am fine. My problem life. So you man subvent my son, my wife life very sad. Exhaust my life. Car accident. My hand and leg damage and money problem. My so any man, any girl shouting not. I am very hard. Could you please help my video sell, share, comment, like them?